Welcome to 2942 South Tenaya Way. This exquisite custom estate is located in the beautiful area of Section 10, which is only about 4 miles from the Las Vegas Strip and 6 miles from the Las Vegas Raiders Stadium. This estate features almost 5,000 square feet of large open space, sits on almost 1 acre lot, and features an oversized swimming pool heated with a jacuzzi. This home has it all. No HOAs, privacy, great location, security, and offers a great quality of life. We hope that you enjoyed our tour of this beautiful custom estate. Please contact Mahsheed with Mahsheed Real Estate for more details and/or